Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, why do I look older than I feel? The answer may not be your age, but your style. Every shirt, every shoe, even your glasses might be adding 10 years to your face without you noticing. But here's the good news. Fix the style and you rewind years. Today we break down 10 habits secretly aging you and how to reverse them fast. Baggy shirts and long, wide pants don't make you look relaxed. They drown your frame and blur your silhouette. A fitted cut gives structure, clarity, and adds years off your appearance. Look for clean lines, lightweight fabrics, and a tailored summer fit that breathes while sharpening your profile. Loose isn't effortless, it's lazy. Modern style after 40 means dressing with intention, not hiding in fabric. Two, dark, dull color choices. Sticking only to blacks and grays may seem safe, but it can make you look washed out or even tired. Add life with color, muted green, sky blue, or warm neutrals that match summer light and mature skin tone. Confidence shows in color, and it pays off. Three, chunky old running shoes. Comfort matters one, but so does style. Chunky trainers make you look like you gave up. Swap them for sleek white sneakers or minimal canvas slip-ons. You still get comfort, and now style too. Four, wearing outdated glasses. Your eyewear frames your entire face, literally. Thick, outdated frames age you fast. A modern, slim, rectangular, or rounded pair elevates your look instantly. Think less function, more intention. Five, unkempt facial hair. Facial hair can make or break your look after 40. A wild beard adds years fast. But a sharp, trimmed beard, that adds charisma and strength. Grooming is no longer optional. It's your new power move. 6. Faded graphic tees. Your favorite superhero tee from 2009? Leave it for nostalgia nights. In daylight, go for clean basics. Plain tees, stripes, or textured knits. These show you're grown, and that's attractive. 7. Neglecting accessories. That frayed belt, dated watch, or overloaded wallet is aging you. Upgrade to sleek summer accessories, slim leather straps, clean buckles, soft belts, and modern wristwear. Detail is your age-defying tool. 8. Too much black in summer. All black can look sharp at night. In summer daylight, it can be harsh. Trade it for navy, stone, or faded earth tones. You'll look fresher, lighter, and more intentional, not like you're hiding. 9. Ill-fitting shorts. Cargo shorts with flaps or shorts that sag? Nope. Mid-thigh, tailored with stretch and light fabric. That's the grown-up summer uniform. Shorts can be sharp if they fit right. 10. Outdated collars and polos. A stretched, saggy collar destroys your look fast. Modern polos have sharp collars, breathable fabrics, and flattering cuts. You don't need a blazer to look put together, just a good collar. Gentlemen, style isn't about chasing trends. It's about looking intentional. If today's tips helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Man Style Decree, where maturity meets modern masculinity.